Hello everyone, thank you for coming back. Hope you enjoy this video. So now we're going to talk about set comprehensions. Now, set comprehensions are quite similar to list comprehensions, but in this case, you are trying to get a list or even a set itself, and then do some calculations on it, or maybe multiply every item in the list by 2, or do some simple basic calculations on it, and then release back a list. So in this example, let's say we have that list, and what we wanted to do, let me divide everything inside here by 2, and then generate a set afterwards. So what I would say, I would just print. Then I would make my symbol for a set. So what I would do, let's say I wanted the set to be populated by x divided by 2, but where am I going to get my x's from? I'll just say for x in A. So what it's going to do, it's going to go through this list to start from 1 divided by 2, 2 divided by 2, 3 divided by, and put all of them in a set. And remember, in a set, you cannot repeat elements in it. So and in this case, since I have everything unique, it should give me exactly 5 elements. So if I print that, you can see it has given me exactly 5 elements. But since in a set you cannot repeat elements, let's give an example that here maybe I had also 2. So now in this case, it's going to give me back only 4 elements instead of 5 elements. So you can see it has brought me back 5 elements, and if this was also 5, it will bring for me back only 3 elements, and it has brought me back only 3. So that's what we call set comprehensions. So in this case, I think you are trying to get now what comprehensions mean. Now, you can use it, get your data set, usually in a sequence, do some calculations on it, then return back into a new, let's say, sequence. It can be a set, a tuple, a list, a dictionary. So that's what it will mean. So thank you for watching. Hope you have enjoyed. If you have enjoyed, subscribe to the channel so that we can grow, and thank you so much for watching.